pork loin, beautiful muscle. Nice, tender, into that fat content, good flavor. And I've never really thought about doing a pork ribeye out of this. But you're gonna show me.
Yes.
Okay, do it, bro.
Then exactly the same as the beef sirloin.
Yep.
And then the thigh bone, it's exactly the same cuts, apart from obviously smaller because it's pork. So it's a case of judge where the thigh bone is.
And could you actually roll that and cook that as well?
You could, but again, we'll just utilise it
Into sausages or
sausages.
something? Yeah. I'm just thinking you guys do the rolled beef cap. Maybe that could go on the, you know. I'll just put this way. I'll try it. I'll let you know how it works.
Again, that's just your pork ribeye.
Pork ribeye. Man, there we go.
Again, these are just
And can you guys order this now
Yes,
in your online catalog?
As you see, you only get two or three
Right.
ribeyes off of each loin.
Gotcha. There we go. 3 pork ribeyes off the loin. That's kind of a new one for me. I never thought about that. Yeah, a little ribbon of fat in there. Not as much fat as the beef, but there's a little bit of fat inside there. Oh, that's a good looking steak, man.
The rest of the loin we'll put into, you can make a roast,
Yep.
pork loin roast, cut it into pork loin steaks.
That's the one thing I can always get my kids to eat is a pork loin steak or a pork chop. My 13-year-old is really good at cooking pork chops and lamb chops. He knows how to get that fat to render, to get crispy. Oh, love watching my kids cook. Apart from the 15-year-old. He just burns down the house. Don't you, Noah? Good fat. So what I would do, I would just cut a little bit of that fat just to give it a head start, because I'm going to eat that once I get it all kind of like crispied up. And I'd score in there a little bit just to give it a head start. Beautiful steaks. Nice job, Ian. Look at those bad boys. So we've got from the pork loin, we've got the pork ribeye and the pork loin steak. Usually 2 to 3 off the front of it, and then you got the pork loin steaks. Nice.